Have you achieved enlightenment yet?
No.
You've enlightened?
I think I have a long way to go before I achieve enlightenment. So today is finally a quite sunny day in Hanoi. The last couple of months it's just been so dreary and rainy, but the sun's kind of coming out now. So we're going to take the opportunity to get a bit of an outdoors feel. We're going to just take a wander around Teho, which is the area where we live, which is next to Westlake. And then we're probably going to walk down maybe to Truc back lake as well. See you soon.
So I can't go in here because it says, suggest all the people know where the short to the pagoda. So Shiv's going to go in, take the camera. She'll probably get really shaky footage because that's what she tends to do.
Well, that's what you get for wearing the short to the pagoda. The main man. An overview of it all. Basically a typical Buddhist temple. Pretty nice. Slightly different than the ones you see in Thailand and stuff. Not as much gold. Let's go and find the man who wear the short to the pagoda. So Matt wore the short to the pagoda, so he couldn't go in. So like a little sado, we read out and read about it on Google. Tell him what you learned, man.
Can I ask you? See if you know.
The only thing.
How old do you reckon it is?
300 years old.
Oh, close.
350 years old.
Oh, closer.
372 years old.
Oh, he's still absolutely fucking miles away.
Oh, swearing. Sorry, this is meant to be a PC channel.
Nah, you was way off from the start. I was just winding you up.
1,024 years old.
More, but now you're getting closer.
2 million years old.
I don't think humans are that old. 1,450 years old.
Old.
And it was constructed by an emperor who's got the same name as a street that we've been on to buy a load of computers.
Lai Nam Day.
Lai Nam Day.
Emperor Lai Nam Day.
Emperor Lai Nam Day. Let me tell you some more.
See that his heritage is being honoured in the form of cheap, naff Chinese technology.
Yeah, exactly. And listen, monks have lived at Truc Pagoda for centuries, teaching the ways of Buddhism to the public. Did you see it?
What, monks? No, I didn't actually. Saw a lot of people in traditional Vietnamese clothing, like this lady behind me here, in her very fancy yellow
can you see her there?
Yeah.
So,
I'll day or I'll die, I know.
Before the visitors start arriving, the monks pray at the multiple shrines spread around the grounds. Monks do not get married and therefore do not live with families at the pagoda. Over the years, the temple was variously named Angkor and Trambak, guardian of the north as well. There's a great deal of Buddhist symbolism at Truc Temple as well. The 8-spoked wheel is the symbol of Buddhism because it represents the noble eightfold path. Did you see that?
Yeah.
The lotus flower also symbolises enlightenment and achievement.
Oh, I saw loads of lotus flowers.
Oh, I wish I could go in.
What does people with DSLR cameras represent? What part of Buddhism
oh,
is that?
hang on, I know what this tree is, I think. It says on the grounds of Truc is a Bodhi tree taken as cutting of the original tree in Bodh Gaya, India, under which the Buddha sat and achieved enlightenment. So I think maybe it's not this tree, but maybe it is. And if so, Buddha sat there, not at this specific tree, but at one similar, under that tree, and achieved enlightenment. Enlightenment.
Very interesting.
Have a sit, have a sit. Go on, sit on the side. See if you can achieve enlightenment. Do it. Go on, give me a funny edit. Can you see yourself?
You make me look like a right.
Can you see yourself?
Yeah,
Have you achieved enlightenment yet?
No.
You've enlightened?
I think I have a long way to go before I achieve enlightenment.
Let's go. Ready? Go.
Just keep going. Old man, don't give no F's. Can we go in a swan boat?
Should we what?
Can we go in a swan boat?
A swan boat? Yeah, we can go on a swan boat. Do you really want to go on a swan boat?
See how much it is. You know me, I'm notoriously tight. Even in Asia, things are too expensive for me.
Say two things that my day is missing so far. I'd say it's boats,
And caramel macchiatos.
And swans. So, what are you thinking?
Drink a caramel macchiato on a swan boat.
What do you think about the swan boat?
I think it's the most invigorating experience I've had since living in the UK. What a lovely way to watch the sunset over Hanoi. From a swan. That's what we're going to do. We're going to turn around and look at the sun.
That's what everyone's doing. Look, everyone's got the same idea. Wow, genuinely though, it's pretty nice.
Quite a shot.
Quite a shot. Now it's quiet. Now there's.
So to be honest, Matt just even admitted this in the coffee shop. The only reason he wanted to come on this one boat was for his vlog. That's how organic our footage is.
Gotta do what you gotta do, ain't you, to get some vlog footage. Well, that's it now. Do you know, I'm so hoping, I'm kind of hoping that there'll be a sudden jolt and you'll fall in though, because that would be some good footage. Shiv getting a swan selfie? Hashtag swan selfie. Hashtag look at me with this bird. Hashtag long neck. Yes.
So, we're at Food Shop 45, which I've got it on good authority, is the shizzle for getting a curry in Hanoi. I've not been here yet, and I've not had curry since Kuala Lumpur when I got sick, and I vowed never to eat curry again. But here I am, just 2 months later, reformed. See what it's like.
I've got chicken korma, steamed white rice, chicken mika,
No.
chicken
Beef keema.
beef keema, and a
Garlic naan.
What did you think about the curry?
I'm not okay with curry anymore.
Since what?
Since Kuala Lumpur.
Oh, when you got ill.
Doesn't agree with me, and I started eating it and I immediately just started feeling sick.
Yeah.
I don't think it's the curry's fault, I think it's the experience in Scotland.
I thought it was alright. I particularly like the korma. I don't think peas have any business in a curry, and I stand by that, but that's just the choice of curry that we chose. Because you chose, what's it called?
Keema.
Keema has peas in it.
Keema has minced beef and it's got more like beef.
Yeah. So I didn't really like that, but it's not the restaurant's fault. It's it's just a bad invention. Don't put peas in a curry. Rice was just rice. I wish we would have had fries or chips or whatever you call it in the country you're from. Because I don't like rice with curries. I like chips. But other than that, pretty alright, wasn't it? Yeah, pretty alright.